Today we will start chapter 2, that is file management and data organization. In this chapter we are going to study how to move or copy a file from one drive to another, or from a file or folder to any other storage device. We will learn how to search a file folder, and we will also learn some shortcut keys. So these are the topics which we are going to study today. When you will click on my computer, you can see some drives over there. Like here we have C drive, D drive, E, F and G drive, and here we have some folders, and these are the navigation places. I mean, this will also show all the drives over here. Now the first topic which we have to study is how to move or copy a file or folder from one drive to another. So we will learn how to copy a file from, suppose, say C drive to D drive. So to copy the file from C drive to D drive, first I will double click on the C drive. Then from here many folders are there, so you will select which file you want to copy. So suppose my file is here in this folder, so I will double click this. Then I will select the file. To select that, I will go to that file. I will left click and click on copy, and then I will move to the drive where I want to paste. Suppose I want to paste in D drive, so I will double click over there and right click in the empty place, or suppose if you want to paste it any folder, so you go to that folder, and here I have clicked on this paste, and that file has been saved over there from C drive to D drive. So again I'm repeating how to save a file from C drive to D drive. So first select the file which you want to copy. So I've selected this, right click there, click on copy, and then choose the drive where you want to save that file. Suppose I want to save it in D drive, so I will select D drive and then right click there and click on paste option. So this is how we will copy a file from one folder to another folder. Now the next topic is moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices. So suppose if you want to copy a file from C drive to your pen drive, so again I am going to right click the folder where my file is there. I will select the file which I want to copy. So I have selected this. I will right click, click copy, and then we will go back. Here we have the option, this F drive. This is for if you have inserted your pen drive, then this option will show that your pen drive is there. So double click this and right click here, click on paste, and you can see that your file have got saved from C drive to F drive. So I'm repeating how to copy a file from one folder to any external device, that is a pen drive. First select the file from the drive, right click that, click on copy button, then select your pen drive folder and then right click, then double click that and then paste, then right click and paste over there. So this is how we are going to copy and paste a file from one place to another. Now our next topic is how to search any file or folder. Like suppose this is my C drive and I want to search any file. Suppose if you have forgotten the name of the file by which you have saved your file, so suppose I want to search any file, so here you have search local disk C drive, means the drive where you want to search. You go there and type the name of the file which you want to search. Suppose I want to search my Java file, so I will enter Java, and as soon as I will press enter, you can see that all the file with whose name contains Java will be displayed on your screen. Here you can see that your computer is searching, so slowly you will see all the files which contains Java. Here you can see that this is highlighted over here, so all the files will be displayed. So we can see that one by one all the files are shown. Now if you want to if you have got your particular file, then you can double click that file and you can access that file. There are many other options which we will use while searching a file or folder, which we will do in the next class. But now I would like to tell you some shortcut keys which we will use to select or delete a file or folder. So here you can see that all the files which contains the name Java are displayed. Now to copy multiple files, now I'm going to show you what are the shortcut keys to do that. Suppose this is my folder. Now here I want to select, suppose I want to select non-consecutive file. Non-consecutive file means the files which are not placed side by side. Like suppose if I want to copy this file and I want to copy this file, then to do that I will press Control button and then click on the files. Like here you can see when I have pressed the control buttons, I can select these files. Now suppose if you want to copy all these files, then this can be copied and pasted in any other drive. So this is how to this is the process to select non-consecutive files. Non-consecutive means which are not placed side by side. But suppose if you want to select consecutive files, in that case consecutive means suppose if you want to select this file and this file and this file which are lying side by side, then we will press shift key, like I'm showing how to do that here. Now I have pressed shift key from the keyboard, and when I will press, you can see that all the consecutive files will be selected. So this is the process how to select consecutive and non-consecutive files. The next which we have to study is how to rename a file or folder. Suppose I want to rename this one, so I will select this, then right click. Here we have the rename option, click on this, and when I click on rename, here you can see this name have got highlighted, and here you can change the name. Suppose I want to change it to lesson 1. So and when I click outside, you can see that the name of this file have got changed. So again I'm repeating, if you want to change name of any file, so first you right click on that file, go to rename. When you will click on rename, here you can see that the name of the file have got highlighted. You now change the name, whatever name you want you can put, and then click outside. You can see that the name have got changed. Then one more thing which you have to study is how to delete a file or folder permanently. Suppose if you want to delete any file or folder directly permanently, means you don't want to move it to recycle bin, then what we will do, we will select the file, press shift plus delete button. Here you can see as when I press shift and delete, here you got a message, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Means when you will click on yes, this will be permanently deleted from your system. This file will not be present there even in the recycle bin. So as soon as I press yes, this will be deleted. So these are some of the shortcut keys which you have to study. So here some shortcut keys I have written over here. So Control Ctrl plus C, this is used to copy a file or folder. Control plus V, this is used to paste a file or folder. Ctrl plus X, this is used to cut a file or folder. Control plus Z, if you have done any action and if you want to get back to the previous one itself, previous action itself, then you have to press Ctrl plus Z. This is also called as undo. Now suppose if you have pressed Ctrl Z, means you have undo, and now again you want to redo that operation once again. For that we will press Ctrl plus Y. This is for redo. And here I have written this Shift plus del. This button is used to delete any file or folder permanently. Means if you select that file or folder and click on Shift plus del, then that file will be permanently deleted. And to copy multiple non-consecutive files and folder, we have to press Control key, which I have shown you just now. And if you want to select consecutive files and folders, then we have to press Shift key. So these are some of the topics which we have which we have studied today, that is moving or copying a file, moving or copying a file from one storage device to another, to search how to search a file and folder, how to select, how to rename, and how to permanently delete any file or folder.